TCR1200 pricing, terms and conditions. From the moment of publishing my TCR1200 kit videos, I have got more and more questions about pricing and how to purchase. So, there are my 3 offerings to customers who like to build something by themselves. But before going into pricing, let's talk about the business logics behind the pricing structure. We have 3 types of customers. The first one is student type, living on parents' pocket money, minimum income and maximum time. I was like this during my electronic education university time, focusing on sports and fixing and building different things. I was able to spend tons of time purchasing broken equipment for garage price and fixing those. I have to spend infinite hours doing that. It is kind of research and development format. During those activities, I was developing my future engineering skills. For those we are offering chassis only, the best price offering. But don't underestimate the time and tools needed to complete the project. Best budget for $149 plus shipping. Second, for DIYs with advanced skills and on-shelf harnessing materials. Chassis with connectors to minimize sourcing time. Kit price €199 plus shipping. And the last one is one where you have amplifier kit with fasteners, connectors and harnessing in place. Kit for those who value his time. If you are a full-time worker, calculate your human hours to the time necessary to complete the project, as well as extra tools to be purchased. The price difference may be just a couple of cups of your morning coffee and snacks. So, minimum time to market for a price of $249 plus shipping. Only one small-size hex screwdriver is needed to complete the project. Chassis dimensions. Scope of work. Shipping and handling. Looking at overall project costs, we decided to use only premium shipping services using FedEx as a shipping service provider. So, single unit ships for €25. Growing its quantity, shipping costs per unit is going down. FedEx pricing is based on a weight and space comprehensive algorithm with exponential growth for large space packages. When shipping bent enclosures, we are shipping a lot of air. Where to purchase a board? I have a good customer experience with sound import. Depending on geography, you have price with VAT or without it. Your estimated project costs. I took the board with price without VAT. Student version $529, advanced DIY $579 and best time to market $629. If we honestly calculate risks, spent resources and time, where time is the most valuable resource, then my pick is the most expensive one. It is paradox, but the most expensive option in reality is the cheapest. How to purchase? At the moment of this video I am working on my webshop, but it takes time to make it. The current options are following. Visit my website www.tcrasters.com and find my company contacts. Write an email using the web form or use my direct email contact. Transaction options. Placing your order on eBay platform and sending the link to you. I should add a 15% margin to cover eBay transaction interests. Those who have sold something on eBay probably are aware about that. Advantages. eBay is securing your transaction, minimum risks. Shipping is using verified data from the eBay system. Disadvantage, eBay markup is rising project costs. Payment against my company issued invoice from the PayPal system. Advantage, minimum project costs. More space to negotiate. Disadvantage, trust the seller, in this particular case to me. You should be ready to provide the following information to complete the transaction. Information will be used only in a frame of this particular transaction. Name and surname, PayPal invoice email, phone for FedEx shipment notifications, email for FedEx shipment notifications, and precise address. That's it. I hope I answered to your questions and saved a lot of email time for both of us.